Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3 equals to a minus b. And a square plus ab plus b square. And the second one, now we can apply two formula in here. So we have like this. And the second one, next we apply the next formula in here. Next we simplify y minus s on numerator and denominator. Next we put h gone here, here, here and here. So we have the final answer. So this one we have 3h square. This one we have 2h. This one we have 2h square. So we have 3h square over 4h to the power of 3. We simplify h square on numerator and denominator. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.